Hello everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to create a carousel animation in Canva. So let's get started. Create a blank presentation. Start with a blank presentation in Canva. Head over to the Elements tab and search for frames or image placeholders. For this tutorial, I'll use a square photo frame, but you can adjust it to a rectangular frame as per your design preference. Adjust the frame. Resize the frame to your desired dimensions. You can make it a rectangle depending on how you want to showcase your photos. Once you've done that, duplicate the frame multiple times, as many as the number of photos you want in your carousel. For this example, we're designing 3 photos for the carousel effect. Position the frames. After duplicating the frames, select all of them and group them together. Make sure to position the grouped frames in the center of your slide and align them evenly. Upload your photos. Head to the Uploads tab and choose the photos you want to use. For this example, we'll be using important historical and cultural symbols, especially in the Muslim world. Makkah. Makkah is the holiest city in Islam. Medina is the second holiest city in Islam. The Taj Mahal, located in Agra, India, is one of the most famous monuments in the world and a symbol of eternal love. Simply drag and drop the photos into the frames. Align the photos. To ensure your photos are perfectly aligned, add a linear guide from the Elements tab. Adjust this guide to help you position the photos correctly. Duplicate the line and place it on the opposite side. This will help you maintain symmetry while positioning the photos. Fine-tuning the photos. Now adjust the photos according to the guides and ensure they are centered and aligned. Once you're happy with the positioning, you can delete the guidelines. Duplicate the slide. Duplicate the first slide and move the first photo to the left, leaving the second photo in the center. Repeat this for each photo to create a carousel effect, positioning one photo after another. Add transitions. Add a match and move transition between each slide. Set the transition duration to 1.2 seconds to create smooth motion between the photos. This will give the effect of the photo sliding from one to the next, creating a seamless carousel animation. Add design elements. Next, let's add a shape to the design to enhance the panoramic effect. Adjust the color of the shape so that it blends with the background. Duplicate this shape and position it at the bottom to maintain balance. Add text and titles. Now, let's add some titles. For example, you can add a large title, Explore. Adjust the font size to 70. For each photo, add a title with the name of the spot, like Makkah, Medina, etc. You can adjust the font style. Final touches. After applying the same text to each slide, you'll have a stunning carousel animations, showcasing famous landmarks like the Makkah and Medina, Taj Mahal. Final output, and there you have it, the final carousel animation showcasing landmarks like the Makkah and Medina, Taj Mahal. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new about creating carousel animations in Canva.